Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy shares right here on Admirals, and shares almost same as stocks. So I will show you today how we can do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to trade and select right here discover. Then he will send us right here to this page where we first select our trading account. So I want to use my trading account right here, and then we go down. Then you will find right here an option with stocks. And then we select right here, view all. Then you have a massive list right here with a lot of stocks. And to be honest, 42 pages with stocks, that's a lot. So right now, what we're going to do is select a stock. So we click right here on Tesla. And then you see right here that the market is closed right now. But I can show you in a nutshell, quite on a simple way, how to buy, because once you click here on the share or share or stock, then you click right here on buy or sell. So decide for yourself if you want to short or if you want to create a long position. Now, in our opinion, we want to buy, so we click here on buy, and then we can fill in right here for how much money we want to buy it. So fill in for how much money. If you click right here on in shares, you change money to shares, and then you can decide for how much shares you want to step in. Now, then what we can do from here is we can add a target price to create a nice limit order. And under here, we can create a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. Then after that, click here on place order, and then he will place your order, and then you created yourselves a nice position on Tesla. This is how it works. This is an example because the market is closed right now, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.